Ma'am, we don't receive last time recording also.
Okay, I will share today with Sunit sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the tuple is similar as list, and the difference between list and tuple is list is mutable and tuples are immutable. Okay, then what is the meaning of immutable? We cannot change the element of a tuple once it assigned, whereas we can change the value of any elements in list. Okay, that's why we told the list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Next one is how to create a tuple. To creating tuple, we just use parenthesis or first bracket, okay, and separated by commas like that. T is a variable and the tuple is within the parenthesis 1, 2, 3 are the elements and separated by the commas. The main means another one difference between list and tuple is tuple list L equal to 1, 2, 3. List is under the square bracket, but tuple is in parenthesis. Okay, that's also another difference between list and tuple. Now, as like list, just print the tuple. See, it's print 1, 2, 3. Also print the list also. Okay. Now create one empty tuple. How to create one empty tuple? Like my like that we create the empty tuple. Means tup is a variable name where I just create one tuple, empty tuple, only the parenthesis. Okay, and print the empty tuple. It's printing. Okay. Second, third thing in the tuple is tuple contain the heterogeneous data. What is the heterogeneous data? Means it contain mix object types of data. Like here, one is the string data because we know about string is under in inverted comma. Okay. Now one is the string data and here two is the integer. And tuple contain the mix object. That's why it's called the heterogeneous data. See. Not only it's called the heterogeneous data, means not only string, float, integer, it's also content list here. Like if I write like that, t1 equal to parenthesis 3, 5, See, its content mix object of data types. Means in Python, also list, head, tuple, dictionary, says all are data types here. Also data structure. First one is string, second one is integer, third one means decimal, one is float, string. This is the list with contain integer, that is the empty list. This is the list contain string. Okay, yeah. Now how to check the length of the tuple? Length of the tuple checking using the len function, len. Okay, as same as list. Using the len function, len of G1 7, because of 1 is for string, 2 is for 3, 3 is for decimal point, 4 is for that one, 5 is for list, 6, 7. Okay, this is the whole tuple and contain 7 values. That's why it print the length of the tuple is 7. Understood? Okay. Now tell me what is the length of T2? That is my existing tuple. Tell me.
9.
9. Check. Yeah, it's good. 9. Now indexing. Indexing also has like means list T of 0. Indexing also as like list T of 0 means indexing start from 0 and end with the number. Now starting position is 0, next one is 1, next to means after next one is 2, 3, 4 like that. Now T1 of 0 means what is the first elements, means what is
World.
the 0th position. Yeah, then it print the word. Okay, print. Okay, now I want that 2. Okay, you will see. Now tell me, what
Ram.
should I write? No, that 2. means I want that the values is 2. I want 2 here in place of world. Then what should I write? Tell me. Okay. T1. First, you have to print that list. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in fourth. Now, wait. Okay. Now it print the least one. Okay. But I want that 4. Okay. Then how? T1 of 4 means that list. In the list, 2 is in which position? It's also starting from 0, 1, and 2. 2 is in which position? It's in 1th position, means first position.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to write it's 1. Okay. First, you have to not print, means you have to take the position of that list, and with that you have to take, means write the position of that value what you want to print. Okay. See, now it's printing 2. Now I want Roy from that tuple. Okay. How will I print? Print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. And Roy in which position? Or I want array. Array is which position? 0, 1, 2. 2. Understood?
Ma'am, here can we take means ma'am, y of array, can we print only y of string array?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Ma'am, here as array is the second position of the this tuple.
Of the 6th elements of the tuple.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Here array is the string. Can we take different separate elements of this?
Okay,
string
means
also?
you want to print A or R or
Yes,
Y.
ma'am.
Yeah. Just check, na. Experiment is too good. Yeah, it's. You got your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now I want. There is 2, 5, right? Okay. I want 5. What should I write in the print?
Seven and 1.
7 and 1. Okay. Yes, good. Now slicing not. It's negative index. Already we know negative index means it's a back count. Means that one is -1, that two is -2, -3, -4, like back count. So T2 of -1 means it's print the last element of the tuple. Okay, what is the last element of the tuple? That list. That's why it print in. But I want L also, means last element of the tuple and last element of the list also. Then I just write here -1. L as same as indexing. Okay. Now tell me -3. What it will print?
A.
A. Sure, na? Yes, it's A. All guys in understood na?
Ma'am, please repeat once again.
Okay. First, tell me what is the negative index? What is the positive index? Positive index means we count from 0th position. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative index means we count from back, but from first position. Okay, means 1, that's called -1, -2, sorry, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like that. Okay, understood? Hold on. I take one short list. So tuple. T1 of -1. T1 of -1 means what?
Array. Ma'am,
No,
first
no, not
complete-
array.
Complete
It's
list.
list, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuple elements are whole, means that one whole means it's separated by comma. Okay, within the comma, the whole element is one element for tuple. Okay, means that one is one element, that one is one element, that one is one element for tuple, the whole element. Okay, let's print the whole list. Also in list we using the negative index also. That's why we can use here also. I want array. Now if I use the positive index, then I have to count from here. Means suppose there are 1000 means element in the list. Okay, then you have to count means what the number of ending element, or what is the position of ending element. That's why we use negative index. Negative index means it's just starting from -1, and -1 means it's print the last element of the list or tuple or dictionary, any means any data structure. Okay, see, also I using -1, just it print array. Okay, now I want y from string, also I use -1, getting the y. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good girl. Now, how to know the type of tuples? Hello world. Okay. What is that? Is tuple. T-U-P, hello world. That is tuple. What is the type of that variable? Tell me.
String type.
String. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
it's string. If I use one comma here, then what is the type of that variable? Then it's called tuple. Okay. Understood? Indexing done, negative indexing done, slicing. Now slicing. Oops, sorry. Slicing, I know, as like list is return the sequence of number with a particular range. Okay. T1, I want 2 to 5. See, it's written the sequence of number with the range is starting is 2 and ending is 5 minus 1 is 4. What is my second position element? That is the decimal number point 2, 3, 4. It's written only the 3 element. Okay. If I use 7 here, then it's print because of it's starting from decimal point. Yeah, it's right. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no 7th element. Okay. The ending, sorry, it's 7 means it's 7 minus 1. It print the 6th up to the 6th element. Okay, it's starting from 2 and ending position is the value minus 1th position. Okay, if I use some values here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, just see there means just check the length of T1. What is the length of T1? Length of T1 means it's 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11.
And one space is also there.
Yes. Count that. 13. Yeah, it's right. Here is which position of element? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only the 10th up to 10th position element in the tuple. Okay, but I want from second position to 11th position, but there is no 11th position. Okay, that's why it print the whole tuple. Okay, whole tuple means starting from 2, it's obvious. And if there is means there is one index which is not present in the tuple, it print the means end of the list, sorry, end of the tuple, end of the element of the tuple. Okay. Okay. Now see what it will print. Tell me. It's starting from 0, 1, 2. Starting from 23.5. Okay. What is the ending position?
Ma'am, till array
Yeah.
and then spaces will be there.
No space will be there.
Yes, ma'am. No
Only
space. Till
it's,
array it will print.
yeah, still array it will print. If you check like that also. If there is no negative index, then what it will print? It will print the same thing. Okay. I want there one end index, but if there is no end index, then there is no first index, okay, or starting point, then it will start from 0 and index is there. That means it print the 8 minus 1 7th position. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not there. That's why it's print whole the string. Okay. If there is no, if there is no end index, that means it print from start to whole the element of the tuple. If there is not starting index, then it's starting from 0, means first position of the tuple, and it print the till the last index. Okay, now basic methods of tuple. No. Concatenation of tuple. There is two tuple. T1 equal to 1, 2, 3. T2 equal to, okay. Now print T1 plus T2. See. With the using of plus operator, it concat two tuples. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is first one tuple, and second one is 7, 8, 9. It's a concat that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, 8, 9. It just concat. Now what is if I using asterisk here? Any guess what it will print?
Ma'am, element of first tuple is multiplied by the element of second tuple, 1 by 1.
It print error. What is the error here? Can't multiply sequence of non-integer of type of tuple. Okay. If I use 2 here only, using 2, then it prints, see? We already know about string. Yes, in string we just repeat that. Tell me.
Ma'am, it is similar to string because
Yes.
and T2 they are written in string, so string cannot be multiplied.
Yes. With integer, it just can repeat the elements in the tuple for a given numbers of time. Okay, it's like absolutely like string. Okay. Okay, T3 equal to print T3 star 3. Tell me what it will print.
It will print hello world 3 times.
Yes. If I use comma here, then what it will print? Then what it will print? Tell me. Print T4 star 4. Tell me. Hi.
There
Tell me.
might be some error.
No, it's printing not error. It also print 4 times of hello world. Tuple also act like string, na? What here you saw? It's just repeat the tuples once again, mean 2 times. Okay. Now it's also a tuple because of it's under in parenthesis and separated with 1 comma. Same here, na? T4 asterisk of 4 means it just repeat the 4 times of tuples. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now check what you guys understood here. Now what it will print?
Hello world and Python 2 times.
Yes, good. It's just repeat 2 times. Now how we delete one tuple? Just take one tuple. Now using the del keyword. Okay, del tuple means it's deleting the tuple, existing tuple. See, it's delete. Now I want to print the tuple. Print tup. What it will print? It will print error because I delete the tuple. Again, I want to print the tuple. So let's delete the tuple. What is the error here? Name tuple is not defined because we already deleted the tuple here. Okay. If I just comment that line and execute once again, also I initialize the means tup within the tuple with the tuple here. Now I print the tuple, it's printing. If I delete the tuple, then see it showing some error. That's how we delete the existing tuple. Okay.
Can we delete only one element of the tuple?
Yes, we can delete also. Just try. Tuple object doesn't support item deletion. You got your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Now the basic tuple methods. There are two methods. One is for index. Index method return the index of that element in the tuple. Okay. I'll just take one tuple. Now that is my tuple EUO 1 2 3 4 5. Then what is the index position of P? Index position is 0. U is for 1. O is for 2. That is the index position of EUO 1 2 3 4 like that. Index method print the position of that element in the tuple. Okay. If I use O here, what is the index position of O? It's 0, 1, 2, then it print just 2. Okay, that's the index position. Now count method. Count method just counting the numbers of means occurrence of the values in the tuple. Okay, like I just O E. See, it's 1. If I creating also 1 E. Second 1 E. Now it's print 3 times. Okay, I just not executing that. It's print 3. Okay. Understood? That's the method, easy method. Now immutably. Already we know immutable means we can change the value what already we assigned in the tuple. Okay. T equal to that tuple. And I want to change the value E with the change keyword. Okay. But it's showing some error because tuple object not supported item assignment. That's why we told tuple is immutable. If I using list here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we just change the value. Oh, sorry. See, in list is mutable. That's why it changed the value 1. But in case of tuple, we can change any value of the tuple. Understood? Understood, no?
Yes.
Okay. Test for append. What it will say? It will say tuple object has no attribute append. Tuple have two methods. One is index, second one is count. Now, Tuple membership test. Membership operator is what? Membership operator is in and not in. And my tuple is if the value is in the tuple, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. Now check. Print 1 in T. It print 2 because 1 is here. If I want to print $45, then it will print false because there is no 45. Okay, that is called membership operator. Then 1 not in T. Okay, then already 1 is there. So 1 in T. That's why it print the false, and 45 not in tree. Obviously 45 is not in the tuple. That's why it print true. First one is false, second one is true. Understood now? Maybe it's confusing. Understood? If there is any confusion, please tell me. My career is set, but you have to set your career. Now for loop. How I will print the all values in the tuple using the for item in T and print the item. See, it will print all the values of the tuple. There is nothing in the tuples. Okay. Understood tuple?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now start dictionary. Then what is the dictionary? It's also a data structure of the Python, like tuple and list. What is the difference between list, tuple, and dictionary? Dictionary is an unordered collection of items. Okay, it's obviously unordered, but in Python 2, in Python 2 version, there is in ordered dictionary. Also, means here also one is ordered dictionary is there in Python 3 also, but default dictionaries is unordered. In each item of a dictionary has two values. One is key, another one is paired. Means dictionary means it's a key value pair of element. But in list and tuple, there is also one element only, but in dictionary one element have two sub elements. One is key, another one is element, values. Dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. Only we can retrieve the value using the key of the dictionaries. Okay. Just I will show it. First, how will create the empty dictionary. Like a list. So here is, oh my god, my mouse is not working properly, that's why I'm facing some problem. Equal to, that is one empty list. Empty tuple. Empty. That one is empty list. L equal to just square bracket, and T equal to parenthesis means it's a empty tuple, and D equal to curly braces means it's a empty dictionary. That's means how we will create the dictionaries. And tuple list print L, T and D. Okay. Now how to create key and values. That's how we create the key and values. That is one element for the dictionaries, and first one is for key, then there is one colon, after that using the values, that is the values means in one element of a dictionary there is two sub elements. One is for key, another one is for value, and it's also means in dictionaries elements also separated by commas. Okay, now here is comma, that means it's one element, next one is second element, that is also contained one key, one value. Okay, then total count of the element in dictionary is only two, 1 and 2. See, it's print for all the element of. If I check the length of the dictionary, check, it's only 2 elements. Okay. I use there is no key. Then what it will print? Check. It will print an error of invalid syntax. Why? Because I didn't give any key here. You have to put one key and one values in the dictionaries. If I remove the value from here, then what it will print? Also, it will print error. While scanning the string literal, there is no values. Sorry, it's print for invalid. Again, it's print the invalid syntax. Okay. Now I put the value here. Okay, understood. Now in dictionary, how we print the value? Okay. In dictionary, using the key, we call the value. Okay. Now my dictionary key 2. What is the key 2's values? Value is value 2. Then my dict of key 2 equal to is print the value 2. Using the keyword, we print the value. Okay, take another one dictionary. D equal to sorry. Yes. Now I want to print the B or C. Then how I will print it? D of what is the key here is 3. Now it will print C. Now check. If I put value here A, then it print the error. Okay. We just print the values using the keyword. Got it? My point. Now I want to print the FH. How I will print it? Just D of the key. Yeah, D of the 4. Yeah. Dictionary also is the heterogeneous, means take the heterogeneous data, means mix objects. Obviously, it's in the values. Okay. See, my first key is key 1. The value is 1, 2, 3. It's integer. Second key is key 2. Value is a list of integer. It's a list. Okay. Type of the values is list. My third key is key 3. It's also a list. Now I check the print. It's print all the values. Okay. If I want the third list, means item 0, item 1 and item 2, just print the which is the key here. Key is key 3. I just put here the key 3 and I got the values.
Items. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes. Now it's visible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. sorry. Like tuple I want the item 1 or item 2 values. Okay, means in the dictionary values we want item 1 or item 2 or anything. Okay, then what it will do? What I will do here, just put what is the position 0, 1, 2, 2th position, second position, just put. See, it's print the item. Okay. Always in any data structure, you have to first print the whole thing, means you have to think about the whole thing. After that, you have to think about that element. Okay. Now my dict of key 3 means I just print that values only. After that 2 means in that values, what is the second position of element here? 0, 1, 2, item 2. That's why it's print item 2. Now check what is the key 3 here. Item 2, key 3 of 0 is that one. And already I told you the previous class. Yeah, tell me. Yes. Come again. I didn't get you.
I'm not saying continue.
Okay, sure. I already told you about the previous class. What is the upper method? It's convert the whole string into uppercase. Now, what is that element? Element is item 0. Dot upper means it convert the item 0 into the uppercase. Okay, just print. So all the characters in uppercase. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Q1. Q1 is 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Now my dict of Q1 equal to, I calculate one calculation here. My dict of Q1 is what? Is 1, 2, 3. Now I want to subtract 1, 2, 3 from the my dict of Q1. So what it will print? It will print obviously 0. See? Means what it will show? It will show we can change the value in the dictionary. Means dictionary is mutable, but keys of the dictionaries are immutable. We can change the key of the dictionary, but we can change the values of the dictionary. Okay, also d equal to, I take that values. I want to change the Q1. Okay. Now D of Q1, I want to change equal to in 1. Now print D. Oh, sorry. It's changing the values. Sorry, it's changed the values already. Actually, DQ1 means what? DQ1 means it's print the values, na? I want to show you. How can I change the key? This is the value. That's why it print the values. What I will tell you, we can change the values of dictionary, but we can't change the value, means can't change the key, means key of dictionary are immutable, but values of dictionary means whole the dictionary are mutable. Little confusing. I just change the 1 to 3 in Kolkata. Now I print the dictionary. See, it's changed 1 to 3 changed by Kolkata. Means we can change the values of the dictionary, but we can't change the key of the dictionary. If I want to change the key of the dictionary, then again we have to initialize the whole dictionary. Like Control C, Control V.
Ma'am, here key cannot be same and value can be same.
Sorry.
Ma'am, here in key value pair, when keys are unique and values can be same of two keys.
Yes. Keys always be unique and immutable. Key always be unique and immutable. Okay. One is for one. Okay, I change the key here for one. Okay. See what happened. What happened? It will take just one element for one. Okay. It didn't take the one for 1, 2, 3 because there are two keys are in same 1 and 1. See, but if I change the value of the list, but I just change the key. See, value can be changed, no problem, but key always be unique and immutable. Now the nested dictionary. What is the nested dictionary? Nested dictionary is that is key 1. Okay, it's for key, means for one key 1, that is the value. Check first. Key 1. See, that's the value, means whole value. Now, again in that value or that element, there is also one key. Means in the left side of the column is always a key. Okay, then next key is also a key. Means print see, in the next key there is also a value, then it print the subnest key and value. Again subnest key also a key because in left side of column, print that. Subnest see, it's print the value. Now in values there is no keys, means there is no colon is there. It's like the nest. Okay, dictionary in dictionary, within one dictionary, dictionary within one dictionary. That's why it's called the nested dictionary. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Okay. You know about yeah, keyword in Python? Means you know about the keywords, all the keywords. Maybe there are 33 keywords.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know about, na? Means do you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
about that? What are they?
Ma'am, 4.
Hmm?
Ma'am, like 4.
Yeah, like for in means
4.
whatever
Yes,
you used in Python, the statement or keywords or anything means for, break, continue, true, false, while, if, else, elif, means anything. Okay, there are 33 maybe. We can't keywords in the Python coding. Okay, means tuple. Sorry, means for. First, I take a list. String. Now I want to for. I want elif. Elif as a variable means I want to use elif as a variable. For elif in L, and I want to print the all string character of L. Then I print elif, but it's showing error because I use here one keyword in the Python. Yes. But oh God, I have to change my mouse. X comma. But we can use the keyword in Python as a key, means as a dictionary key. That's the main funda in the dictionary. D equal to dictionary. True. Value is anything. A. Elif. B. Print. What is my mistake? Okay, okay. Yes. True and false also a keyword. In Python, just show here. I want to use true and I want to print true. See, can't assign true because true are keyword in Python. That's why I didn't use true here. I have to use any variable. But in the dictionary, we can use the keyword as a key. Okay, true as a key, the value is A, and false as a key, the value is A. And when we print it, it printing the value. Also, we can check the TRUE. It print the values. That's the interesting thing in dictionary. Now, how to check the type of the dictionary? Just copy one dictionary. See. Okay.
Typecasting.
Oh, no, typecasting. Just check the type, na? Means using the type function, you can check any type of the dictionary, object, data structure, anything. Type. Just type function.
Type.
Yeah. That's class dictionary. Means you can check anything. AL equal to 1, 2, 3. Print list. Type of L. Yeah, it's list. Means as the same way you can check the tuple also. Okay. Now how to access the element using the get. Already how to access the values of the dictionary we know, means how to using the key, using the key of the dictionary. Okay, now I want to access the element using the get. I just copy one dictionary from here. And first check D of Q1. It print the values 1, 2, 3. Already know. Now the get method. Print D of D dot get key 1. Means we are using the values in the dictionary in the both way. One is using the key, one is using the get keyword. Okay. Now, what is the difference between that? Okay. Means if I use the keyword, means using the key of the dictionary, and what is the difference of using the get of key of 1? Okay. If in the dictionary there is no, means there is an unknown key, like print D of key 4. There is no key 4 in the dictionary D. Okay. But I want print the value of the key 4. See what it will print? It will print the key error. Okay. Because there is no key. If I using get here, print D dot get key 4. You have to comment on that one. It's print. What is print? It's print none. That is the main difference between when we use the key in the dictionary. Means when we want to the value from dictionary using the key of the dictionary, and using the get method in the dictionary. If there is no key in the dictionary, that time it's showing, means using the key of the dictionary, it's showing an error, that is key error. But using dot get method, it's showing none, means there is no key, means there is no values. That's the main difference, get and using the keyword. Okay, now how to remove one values. Oh. Let's see. Okay, I want to remove that list 12, 22 and 33. Then how will remove it? Print d dot pop and the keyword key 2. Okay, now print the d. It removed that element from the list. See, it's removed the element from the, means second element from the tree, because dot pop method, it's removed the element with that key what you passed in the pop method. Okay, it's delete that values only. Okay, now what is the pop item?
Ma'am, what is the difference between del, pop, and remove method?
Actually, del means del is a keyword, pop it's a method. In del keyword, see, if I use del here, del d means it removes the dictionary, whole dictionary. Okay, just see. Already I remove, means del d means I remove the dictionary. Now I want to print the d. It's showing d is not defined. Okay, name d is not defined, means already I deleted the dictionary, means there is no dictionary in the memory. So how it will print d? That's the main difference. But in case of pop, we just delete one item from the dictionary, means what you passed already as a key, that value only you removed from the dictionary. That's the main difference. Delete is deleting the whole dictionary, and pop is using pop, we just remove one element from the dictionary. Okay,
Ma'am, here when you write del d, but it is showing error. Why?
it is showing error. Why? Del d, what it means? Del d means we delete the dictionary, means there is no dictionary in the memory space.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to print that d. There is no d, then how interpreter will print d? That's why it's showing error. D is not defined in the memory space, then how I will print the d? If you will execute again, means initialize the d again, now print it, now it's print, because it's already initialized, that means there is one d in the memory space. Interpreter get one d, just print that d. But in case of del d, interpreter didn't get any d, then how it will print? That's the difference. There is also one method in the dictionary, maybe it's cleared. Okay, just check. Cleared, it's clear the all values in the dictionary. Okay, d dot clear. Now print d. Now you tell me, what is the difference between pop, Dell and clear?
Ma'am, here del function is showing not defined. D is
Why?
not defined.
Hmm.
But in clear function, it deletes complete dictionary. मतलब key value pair.
Yes, it's delete the all items in the dictionary,
ma'am.
not
All
the
items.
dictionary.
Yes, ma'am. Not dictionary. All items key value pair.
Yes.
And in pop, we can remove a particular item from the dictionary.
Yes, good. That's the thing. Means in case of Dell, it's delete the dictionary from the means space, memory space. There is no dictionary. Okay. But in clear, just it remove the all items in the dictionaries. That's the whole thing. Okay, now dictionaries methods. That is our existing dictionary. Print. That is our existing dictionary. And D dot keys. It's mean it return all the keys. Okay, all the keys, not the values. It's print only the keys of the dictionary. See, it's key1, key2, key3. If you want just only means key1, key2, key3, then you have to use like that way. Print. Sorry. Dot keys. Print list of D dot keys. Oh, sorry. See. Now, okay. You tell me, or anyone tell me, what is the difference between D dot keys and now list of D dot keys?
Here in print d dot keys, it is printing the dictionary keywords
Yes.
like,
Mm-hmm.
and in print list d dot key, it is printing the list of d dot
List.
key.
Yes, it's a list values of means keys. Okay, if the values of means it's the list of keys, only it's print the list. Means if I check the type here, okay, print type D dot keys and print type list of D dot keys. See, it's the dictionary keys and that one is list. You're right. Okay. Now, how I get the values from the dictionary? All the values from the dictionary, it's like D dot values. It's just grab all the values, and also if you want just as a list or as a table with the values, then you just typecasting that. Print tuple of D dot values. See, let's print the tuple. Okay. Now D dot items. What it means? It means all the key value pairs in the tuple form. Okay. See, key 1 is the key of dictionary, 1 is the value for the key, key 2 is the key 2 of dictionary, 2 is the value for the D, like that. Now understand, dictionary is ended. There is nothing in the dictionary. Now set the last one of the data structure. Python set. What is set? Already we studied set relation mapping, set in class 12. Here also set is the same thing. A set is an unordered collection of items. Every set elements is unique. There is no duplicate and must be it's immutable. So list is mutable, dictionary is mutable, but tuple and sets both are immutable. Also, the keys of the dictionary are immutable. Okay, that's the whole data structure in the Python. Now it's using the parenthesis like tuple, but in the tuple there is means some duplicate data is there, but in the set only there is unique data, no duplicate data is there in set. Now it's x equal to set. That's the syntax of set. Now print x, it's set. Now there is one method dot add. Add one means it just add in the set. Okay, add one. I just hear that one. Print it's one, and it also print in the curly braces. Okay, one. Now check. Insert below. Is equal to 1, 2, 3. Print yes. It's print the set values. Also set heterogeneous means it contain mixed data types like 1 A, sorry, list 7, 8, 9, tuple, 4. It's showing error because of there is one A duplicate element. Maybe not using the of my unhassable. Means the set contain the different data types like integer, float, tuple, and string. The S means the set is immutable. That's why it didn't contain the mutable data structure like list and dictionary. Okay, if I use dictionary here, it's also not taking. See, it's also saying unhassable type. Okay. Then the set is what? Set is immutable. but it did, that's why it didn't contain the mutable data structure like list and dictionary, right? And it contained otherwise, that means string, float, integer, and tuple also. Now just add 2 in x, adding the values, nothing else, nothing else. Okay, now the unique thing is there. Set is contain the unique element only. Here it's a list. Okay, there is so many duplicates value. 1 is 4 times, 2 is 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1 times. Now I using set of list 1. Okay, then what it will print? It will print the unique value of the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the thing of set, means we using set for that only, means using the unique element. Now how will check the type of the set? Using the type method. Print type of set of list 1. See, let's print the set. If you want to check the type, you can use the type method in anywhere. Okay. Nothing is there, I think. Just check. Okay. There is one method also without the add. Also in the unique element. Now I want to add X. Sorry, I didn't print the, yeah. Print S. So it's the add one value using the add. Now I want to update. Case dot update. List of element A, B, C. Oh, indentation error. C. It's update the value C, B, A. Update means it's the add the value. Also, we can use at the rate conversion history. See, it just add the value. Update means it just add with the existing set. Basically, we use set for the only the unique element. Now, how we remove the element from set? Okay, this is my existing set. H1 equal to now H1 dot discard. means delete. I want to discard the X. Okay. Sorry. Print. Here's one. What is, oh, discard spelling wrong. Sorry. Discard. Yeah. It just discarded the element X. Okay. Second one is remove. H1 dot remove. I want to remove the asterisk sign. Print H1. It also remove the asterisk sign also. Okay. Then what is the difference between discard and remove? Now, again, I want to discard the X or asterisk, okay? But there is no asterisk in the existing leaks, okay? Now, then what it will print? It will print nothing. It will print nothing. Now I want to remove the asterisk. Dot in. So it's showing an error because there is no asterisk. That is the difference between discard and remove method. Discard also delete or remove one method from existing set. Remove also remove one element from existing set. But the difference is when the means what we want to remove that is not present in the existing set, that time the discard method print nothing, but the remove method showing an error, that is key error. Okay, as like dictionary, if there is no key, then get method showing nothing means it will print just none, but using the keys it will print some error, that is key error. Now boolean is already we know that is a equal to true and b equal to false, means that is true false value in boolean. 1 greater than 2, it's obviously false, we know. And b equal to none, print b, it's none, no problem, because there is no any option. Okay. This is for today. Next class, I will show you the function, and there is another thing, something union, intersection, and another thing is there.